Good morning. Happy Monday to my favorite readers, writers, mathematicians, artists, scientists, and engineers. Today is April 27th, which means we have a new friend with us today. So, good morning to Aliona. I'm so excited that you're in our class. We all cannot wait to meet you in person. Obviously, not like this, but we are looking for better days ahead, and maybe we'll be in school and we get to meet you face to face. So let's get started with our calendar. Today we're going to be working on our CVC words as usual, but in Foundations today we get to learn something different. We're going to learn all about digraphs, and then we're going to work on our reading comprehension as well. We have new sight words of the week, which are all, could, when, and looking. Today we would have art with Mrs. DeSorty, so check out her School Wires page to see what she'll have you guys do today. I love and miss you all so much. Love, Miss Caggiano. Remember, it is up to you and your choices to make today great. So let's take a look at our digital date over here is 4/27/20. 4 because April is the fourth month of the year. 27 because it is the 27th day of April. 20 because it is it is 2020, the year. So, if it is April, we know that last month was March. And if this month is April, next month is going to be May. There are 12 months in a year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. And for our coin identification over here, we have a quarter. A quarter is worth 25 cents. We need 4 quarters to make $1. Here's our dime. We need 10 dimes to make $1, and a dime is worth 10 cents. Here's our nickel. Our nickel is worth 5 cents, and we need 20 nickels to make $1. There are 7 days in a week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And if today is Monday, yesterday was Sunday. And if today is Monday, tomorrow is going to be Tuesday. Spring, summer, winter, fall. There are 4 seasons in all. And another word for fall is autumn. So this season is spring. And if this season is spring, last season was winter. And if this season is spring, next season is going to be summer. Okay, now let's go to our April calendar. We're going to fill in 25 for Saturday, 26 for Sunday, and 27 for today. Now let's check the weather. So it's supposed to be pretty rainy in the morning. We're going to have some AM showers. And then towards the evening, it's going to clear up and we will have just a cloudy evening. It's going to be cloudy, sorry. So our temperature is going to be high of 50. So I'm going to go back over here. And actually, I think we're going to leave it right as it is. Let me zoom in here. Pretty much, I'm just going to move it down a little bit to move it exactly at 50. Okay, so there's our thermometer. Meteorologists, you may go ahead and color in rainy for this morning, RAINY on your weather graph. Now we can close that up, go to Calendar Kale, and let's check out our Counting the Days chart. So it is the 149th day of school. You are 149 days smarter than you were on the first day. Everybody kiss your brains. There are 31 days of school left. So let's take a look at our ones column. We have the number 9, and let's count how many sticks there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which means I'm going to add 1 more stick to make 9. We have 4 in our tens column, which means there are 1, 2, 3, 4 bundles of 10 there. And then we have 1 in our hundreds column, which means we have 10 sticks of 10 bundles. So 100 plus 40 plus 9 equals 149. Now looking at 9, we also know that 9 is going to be odd because 9 is on Odd Todd's belly. So you can go ahead and color in one shoe all by itself because it's going to be odd. And then let's count by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Now go to your 10 frame page and you're going to color in one dot. You're going to have 9 dots on the 10 frame that you're working in right now. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now go to your tally page and add one tally. So you're going to have 4 tallies in the box that you're working in right now. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. So now let's take a look at our week at a glance since we're all done with our calendar. So for Fundations today, you're going to have a brand new lesson on digraphs. And then you will also have a Brain Pop video. So that will be due by Friday. Aliona, I know that you are not very familiar with Brain Pop yet, but there is directions in the email that I sent you for you to make your own account for Brain Pop. So that goes for everybody else. If you have not yet made a Brain Pop account, is something that I can't make for you. As soon as it is made, let me know because you will not see any of the assignments that I've already posted until I add it to your name. So once your name is created, then I can add all the assignments for you. So Reader's Workshop. You're going to be doing, you're reading one book for Raz Kids, and then also you're going to be working on The Kite for our reading comprehension of this week. So it's this page, The Kite. And then don't forget about finger pointer power. I discussed in our video from last week. You could always go back to it if you need to help you read it and understand why it's so important for our pointer power. So then we're going to do CVC centers. So this is in the packet that we have not touched yet. That is in this packet here. So this is the front page and it says send home subplans. What you're going to be working on for Writer's Workshop is you're not actually writing any of them. That's okay. But what you're going to be doing is working on the CVC rainbow centers. It says send home centers. So you can cut these out and then I think it's 2 pages. And it's really simple, but it's a review for CVC words. Let's see. It is 2 pages. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's only 5 of them, but it's a basic review that students can go over. And then I didn't want to make anything too difficult with adding a new writing style this week, and our digraphs are completely new. So that's going to be very basic, and so is this as well. So we're having 2 major things that are new for them to understand this week, so we're going to keep everything else at a minimum. Math, that goes for math as well. Math is only going to be the number stories again. So we'll do week 4 of April number stories. We are going to get into some informational reports this week for writing, which is a little exciting. And as for Monday, that is all. So you know that math number stories, they don't have to be submitted until Friday on Seesaw. All video lessons will be posted. We will definitely have a video for Fundations for today. And I believe that is it. So if you have any questions, you know where to find me. I hope you have a marvelous Monday, and I will see you all in the Fundations video.